I'm Jason Lynette. I'm the director here at Virginia Hypnosis, and I'm inviting you to join me at a one-day special event, Hypnotic Age Regression for Change. It's a one-day hands-on interactive course appropriate for those already with hypnosis training and experience. So it's a one-day hypnosis boot camp specific to the models of hypnotic age regression to discover the core triggers behind a client's issue, often labeled as the cause. Though in addition to that, we're also going to cover how do you use hypnotic age regression to discover the strengths and resources already within your client, turn them into powerful anchors, and use those as self-hypnotic strategies within your clients. So it's not just about the discovery of the cause of the issue, as we're going to deep dive into the hypnotherapeutic techniques in terms of reframing past events and turning these moments of weakness now into moments of strength. So again, it's a one-day special event happening on Saturday, March 10th, 2018 from 9 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon here at my Virginia Hypnosis office located in Alexandria, Virginia. You're going to be joining an already in progress hypnosis certification training, so space is limited to just 6 new attendees. So sign up here today on meetup.com to reserve your spot. Registration is just $195. You're going to receive several helpful handouts, plus I'm going to give you lifetime access to my online hypnotic age regression training. This way, you're able to continue your learning long after you sign up for this course. So, sign up today, Hypnotic Age Regression for Change, Saturday, March 10th, 9 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon. Sign up today. Look forward to seeing you there.